Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. So in my brand Lara Savage Creations, I've been selling these foldover clutches and they're amazing. I would probably do a tutorial on how to make this foldover clutch one day. I don't know when because I have so many things on my plate right now, but probably in the nearest future I would make it. But in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to style it, basically how to carry your foldover clutches. You don't necessarily need to just carry it on your shoulder or the one way we always know how to fold it and just carry it. We have other ways you can style this particular foldover clutch. So let's just get into it. I would show you guys the styles and you would hear my voice at the end. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle. Let's get into it.
Keep your head on your shoulders, now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders, now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters and we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers, you better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up, don't make love to the game bruh, fuck the game up, change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness, famous for the way up, play the game bruh. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it, gotta make to myself a promise, I won't quit, keep going till I got it, I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it, I won't give up till I'm on top, I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the irony. To hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never, and turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it, gotta make to myself a promise, I won't quit, keep going till I got it, I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it, I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't stop, stepping up, don't stop.
And guys, that's all I have for this video. This is what it looks like. I love how it's turned out. I love how the clutches look like the styles, basically waist pouch, like it's amazing, like how you can just elevate this clutch and look beautiful, look casual, look classy, all at the same time. And yes, that's all I have for this video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle, join in as a member. It helps to support the channel. Yes, that's all I have for this video, and until my next video, it's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.